Guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're on the Woodland Lake. Yeah, I'm fishing my carp today, so I've just got them out and that, and yeah, hope I can catch some today. I ain't used my carp in a while. I'm using the pineapple crush boilies 12mm and the 18mm coconut cream boilies from Nash. This one here. I've got one in the margin and one far bank. So yeah, hopefully can catch something today. And yeah, hope it can be a good video. I'm using a size 6 hook. And on the 12mm here, I'm using a size 10. So see if that's gonna work, see if that'll work out. Try and catch a big fish, hopefully. So it's not really cold, so I should be feeding. You take on the bank hot chocolate or cup of tea. No bites yet, but like I said, I've got one in the margin and one far out, so it might be a hard day today because it's quite cold. So yeah. Why? I ain't used the bar out. Just like I just put it in floor to make it look nice. So I'm gonna see if it works better than the back putting the bar on. I'll use it more often. Carp I caught. I took both my rods out. When I got one rod out, the one with the coconut cream boil, like it just wrapped round double on my rod rest, and I lost it. So I've just chucked both of them back out now, and see if I can get another one, because I didn't even expect to catch today. So yeah, and that carp weighed in about 8.5 pounds, so it's not too bad. Right guys, just like I've had no bites or anything else on any rods yet. I'm still on the same spot, just in that margin and over there. So hope I can catch something else. If not, I'm happy with that carp I caught anyway. So yeah, I catch a fish right now. It's chucking it down. Update. The rain has stopped now. I've had a bite off the rod in the margin with the 18mm boilie on. I'm gonna refresh that boil up because it's been there for about nearly 2 hours now. So I'm gonna put a new one on it, and on the 12mm pineapple boilie, I've had no bites off that yet. So yeah, I'm not bothered if I don't catch. That was a nice carp because I've been aiming for one of those ghosties in here for ages. So yeah, it was a nice carp. Coconut cream boilies look like, just plain white. Yeah, you've got a bit of dent in it because I chucked it on the floor. So yeah, that's what I've got on that rod there. said, I just refreshed it up, see if I can get another one. If not, I'm not bothered. So yeah, it's the end of today's video. At least I didn't blank today with one carp. I'll be fishing with my carp rods a lot more through out this winter. So yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.